Welcome to My Long Island TV. From Manhasset to Montauk, we have traveled our communities to bring you the following events. I'm your host, Waldo Cabrera. My Long Island TV starts now.
Here tonight to speak about his new memoir, The Andy Cohen Diaries. Please welcome back Andy Cohen.
I really didn't think anybody was going to show tonight. I really didn't. I was kind of worried. Today is the launch of my book, and I'm launching it right now with you. The book was inspired by the Andy Warhol Diaries, which is one of my favorite books, and it was 11 years in Andy Warhol's life of going out on the town in New York City, and basically he was going to parties that I never could imagine being at. And now, 25 years later, after that book came out, I realized I'm going to these parties now. I talk about my dating, I talk about my life on Tinder, I talk about the dog, I talk about behind the scenes stuff at the talk show that's really things that you don't normally hear hosts talking about.
With all this social media, where people minute by minute, they're documenting their life, you chose to write a book.
I absolutely love writing. I know my voice. I love telling stories. I have great stories to tell. I started my career as a reporter, a producer at CBS News, and so I have got a keen eye for detail. And you know, the book is so fun, and I wanted people to laugh along with me as I wrote. And I think it's a slam dunk. I love it. It's a book that starts in September of last year and goes until September of this year, and it's a year in my life, and there's a beginning, middle, and end, and there are people that you meet and fall in love with, from my mother to my doorman to a lot of bold-faced names. I almost called it Diary of a Name Dropper.
You have a massive amount of people out there. What is it that you want them to know about you?
Oh, I want to get to know them. I mean, I want to find out who's watching my show and who would come here and wait in line to say hi and get a book. And I'm very excited. I don't know what's behind that door, but I'm excited to find out. I want to do Q&A because I love hearing questions. So you are the first one with your hand up, yes. Why isn't there anything Lucy on the clubhouse wall? I don't know. There's a Lucy book in the clubhouse. Can you give me something? Sure. A Lucy something? Wow, a Lucy doll. Oh, that's great. Thank you.
When he first started having guests on, he would always say to everyone, "You've been my friend in my head, you've been my friend in my head." So he has forever been my friend in my head.
I bought them and I sprayed paint them and I stuffed the thing and I had him sign it. So you grab a friend like Nancy.
Nancy, come in here.
And you stand side.
Right, so
you want to come here? Come here.
Come in here.
And you put alcohol in it, and then you go 1, 2, 3, shot ski. Andy, this is part of our bucket list.
Absolutely.
We hope we can meet up with you in Sag Harbor and have a shot.
I feel like I'm doing this show, and one day my parents are gonna bust me.
Love the show, love him, love his, realness to people. Just huge fan, basically. He's just a regular guy. You just want to just be hanging out with him. That's all.
I know my girlfriend's a big fan, and I found out about he was going to be here at the book signing, so I wanted to surprise her with it, and it worked out well.
This is on my bucket list to meet Andy Cohen, so I'm so happy. I just want to hug and I want to tell him that I love him. That's all. I love you, Andy Cohen.
What else do you have in store for us?
I have a lot of new shows that I'm going to be producing through my production company, and more Watch What Happens Live, more things I'm hosting, and on. You got to watch what happens.